Hi students, now problem number 8. A ray of light is incident at 60 degree on one face of a prism which has an angle of 30 degree. So the angle of the prism A is 30 degree. The angle of incidence is I1, that is 60 degree. The angle between the emergent ray and the incident ray. See, this is the emergent ray and this is the producing of the incident ray. This angle is called as a deviation. That deviation is given as 30 degree. So what is the angle between the emergent ray? The angle between the emergent ray and the face of the prism. The face of the prism from which it is emerging. So first of all, we will write the given quantities. The angle of the prism A is equal to 30 degree. And the angle of incidence I1. So I1 is equal to 60 degree. And the deviation delta is equal to 30 degree. And what is I2 is equal to angle of emergence. So this is I2 which is equal to the angle of emergence. Now what angle is asked here is this angle only. So this angle, okay, theta. So this is theta is equal to 90 minus angle of emergence. So this is equal to 90 minus I2. This only we have to find out. Theta is the angle between the emergent ray and the face of the prism. Is it not? From which the light is emerging. Okay children, now the relation I1 plus I2 is equal to A plus deviation. This is the expression we have to remember. So, what is I2? Therefore, I2 is now equal to what? A plus delta minus I1. So, this is equal to angle of the prism is 30 plus the deviation of the light is also 30 minus angle of incidence is 60. So this is 60 minus 60 is equal to 0 degree. That means what? The angle of emergence is the angle between the normal and the emergent ray. If this is 0 means that the remaining angle is 90 minus 0 is how much? 90. So here quickly we should not click the answer A. Understand? This 0 degree is I2. What is I2? I2 is angle of emergence, which is the angle between the emergent ray and the normal. But see here, what is asked here? What is the angle between the emergent ray and the face of the prism? This theta is asked. Okay. Therefore, this theta is equal to 90 minus this angle of emergence. So, this is 90 minus 0. This is equal to 90 degree. So, the final answer is what? Option D. Okay. Therefore, option D is the right answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.